Our interminable lockdown continues, and I'm still judging you all. Tonight's drink is going to be the old-fashioned, but I'm going to make it 3 different ways. The first and most traditional way was called an old-fashioned circa 1840, and that involved sugar, which at that point was not like this, it was lumps of sugar everywhere, and a dash of bitters. Once again, 1840 style bitters would have been made by each bartender themselves to be made into a paste. A white spirit called Jenever, which is effectively a gin on a vodka base. It could also be made with gin, but we've got this, so why not enjoy? And then we would mix this up like so. And then we would add 2 shots of water. Cool tap water. This concoction was the original cocktail. Water to just hide the fact that the booze was horrible, sugar to get rid of the burny aftertaste, and bitters for the meaning. The next way to make an old-fashioned is what you'll get in most high-quality bars. Once again, a teaspoon of sugar, a healthy dash of bitters, mixed up into effectively a paste, some quality whiskey. Because I'm not an animal, I drink Woodford Reserve. Two shots of whiskey. Stirring up more and more sugar, more and more carefully. A large single ice cube in the tray and an orange twist to express some orange oil around the glass. That is what we consider an old-fashioned today. Now I shall show you the correct way to make an old-fashioned for the at-home cook. Start with 1 shot of maple syrup. Real maple syrup, no Cotty's bullshit. Actual, real Canadian maple syrup. Add to that a healthy dash of bitters. Two shots of quality bourbon. Once again, if it's not good enough to drink, it is not good enough to cook with. A nice big single ice cube. An orange twist. And I happen to like 3 maraschino cherries. Any more would be excessive. And just a touch of the juice. So behold, the past, the present, and the future. I'm still judging you.